This How to 1 Minute will show you how to embed Bing map in WordPress website. Follow these easy steps to embed or import Bing map on your WordPress without any plugin. First of all, go to the Bing map. Now click on this search box and type the location. Search for the location that you want to embed. Now click on More and click on Embed a map. Now search for the location. Once you get the location, click on More, click on Embed a map. And then you will get some codes. All you have to do is just copy your embed codes and go to your WordPress dashboard and go to the post or page where you want to embed your Bing map. So edit the post or page. And once you are in editor, click on add block and here search for embed. So click on embed. Now here you have to paste the copied Bing map embed code, and that's how you'll be able to embed your Bing map on WordPress. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe How to 1 Minute. See you in the next video.